Serenity of the mind.
Gobble gobble, party people! I'm Serenity of the Mind, and today, we're diving headfirst into the world of Thanksgiving mayhem. From overcooked turkeys to family squabbles, this holiday has its own unique brand of craziness. But fear not, because I've got the ultimate survival guide to help you keep your sanity intact. Turkey troubles. The centerpiece of the Thanksgiving table. The infamous turkey. But let's be real, cooking this bird can turn even the most composed chef into a kitchen commando. Stay tuned for some turkey cooking hacks that will save your feast and possibly your sanity. 5 hacks for avoiding turkey disasters. 1. The brine brigade. Brining your turkey can be a game changer. It not only adds flavor but also keeps the meat juicy. Create a simple brine with salt, sugar, and your favorite herbs, and let that turkey soak up the goodness overnight. 2. Temperature tango. Invest in a meat thermometer and make it your cooking dance partner. Cooking times can vary, but hitting that perfect internal temperature, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, in a leg ensures a bird that's both safe to eat and incredibly succulent. 3. Butter bliss. Go beyond a simple rub and consider an herb-infused butter massage. Mix your favorite herbs into softened butter, then slather that goodness onto the turkey skin. This not only adds flavor, but also helps keep the meat moist. 4. The flip trick. Midway through cooking, flip your turkey. It might sound unconventional, but turning it over allows juices to redistribute, ensuring a more evenly cooked and flavorful result. 5. Resting ritual. Don't skip the post-cooking nap. Let your turkey rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes before carving. This gives the juices a chance to redistribute, preventing a dry turkey and making the carving process much smoother. Pie panic. Let's talk about the sweetest part of Thanksgiving. Pies. From pecan to pumpkin, navigating the pie selection can be a challenge. Stick around for some dessert dilemmas and how to handle them with finesse. Pie-related predicaments, a delightful challenge. Here are 5 hacks to navigate them with ease. 1. The slice and save. To keep pie slices looking picture perfect, dip your knife in hot water before each cut. The warm blade glides through the pie, preventing messy slices, and ensures everyone gets a visually appealing piece. 2. Crust crisis solution. If your pie crust is on the brink of burning but the filling needs more time, cover the edges with aluminum foil. This prevents further browning while allowing the center to continue cooking. Crisis averted. 3. Chill out technique. For no-bake pies or those with delicate fillings, chill the pie crust before adding the filling. This helps the crust maintain its structure and prevents it from becoming soggy once the filling is added. 4. Flour power trick. When working with sticky pie dough, dust your rolling pin and work surface with flour liberally. This prevents the dough from sticking, making the rolling process smoother and less frustrating. 5. Filling fix-up. If your fruit pie filling is too runny, fear not. Mix a tablespoon of cornstarch with a tablespoon of cold water and stir it into the filling. Bring the pie back to the oven for a short stint to let the magic happen. The cornstarch will thicken the filling, saving your pie from a soupy disaster. Family feud funnies. Thanksgiving and family go hand in hand, but sometimes those hands are throwing metaphorical punches. We've all been there: crazy uncle debates, sibling rivalries, and that one cousin who brings up politics. I've got some tips on how to turn those family feuds into family fun. 5 hacks for diffusing family tensions. 1. The diplomatic diversion. When a conversation starts to get heated, gently shift the topic to something more neutral or positive. This could be a funny story, a shared memory, or even a compliment. Redirecting the focus can diffuse tension and create a more positive atmosphere. 2. The empathy express. Practice active listening and show empathy. Sometimes, people just want to be heard. Validate their feelings, even if you don't agree, and express understanding. This can de-escalate conflicts and open up space for more productive conversations. 3. The humor highway. Humor can be a powerful tool. If you sense tension rising, inject a bit of lightheartedness into the situation. A well-timed joke or a playful comment can break the tension and remind everyone not to take things too seriously. 4. The private parley. If tensions are escalating, consider taking the conversation to a more private setting. This allows individuals to express themselves without an audience, reducing the likelihood of defensive responses. It shows respect for each other's feelings and creates a more conducive environment for resolution. 5. The gratitude game. Introduce a moment of gratitude into the gathering. Ask each family member to share something they're thankful for. This shifts the focus from potential sources of conflict to positive aspects of life, fostering a more harmonious atmosphere. The food coma dilemma. After the feast comes the inevitable food coma. Navigating the fine line between eating enough to feel satisfied and so much that you can't move is an art. Stick around for some post-feast survival strategies that will have you feeling more lively than a Thanksgiving Day parade. 5 tips for overcoming the food coma. 1. The walkabout method. Instead of immediately succumbing to the siren call of the couch, take a leisurely post-meal stroll. A short walk can aid digestion, boost your energy levels, and help you avoid the gravitational pull of the food coma. 2. Hydration station. Don't underestimate the power of water. Hydration is key to combating that heavy feeling after a big meal. Sip on water throughout the evening to help your body process the feast and keep you feeling more alert. 3. Fresh air fiesta. If the weather permits, step outside for a breath of fresh air. Whether it's a few moments on the porch or a full-on backyard adventure, the change in environment can invigorate your senses and shake off the food-induced lethargy. 4. Dessert delay. While it may be tempting to dive headfirst into the dessert spread, consider delaying the sweet treats for a bit. Opt for a lighter dessert later in the evening when you've had some time to digest. Fresh fruit or a small serving of a lighter dessert can be a sweet ending without the immediate food coma aftermath. 5. The power nap prowess. If you find yourself in the clutches of a food coma and need a quick reboot, consider a power nap. Keep it short, around 20 to 30 minutes, to avoid grogginess. A brief nap can refresh your mind and body, making you more alert for the remainder of the festivities. Last, but certainly not least, gratitude attitude. Amidst the chaos, let's not forget the true spirit of Thanksgiving gratitude. I've got some heartwarming tips on how to infuse your celebration with thankfulness, turning even the craziest moments into cherished memories. 1. The gratitude journal journey. Start a gratitude journal and jot down things you are thankful for regularly. It could be as simple as a beautiful sunrise, a kind gesture, or a delicious meal. Reflecting on these moments can shift your focus towards positivity. 2. Expressive appreciation. Don't keep your gratitude to yourself. Take the time to express your thanks to the people around you. Whether it's a heartfelt conversation or a simple note, sharing your appreciation strengthens connections and spreads positive vibes. 3. Mindful moments. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Take a few moments each day to focus on your breath and cultivate a sense of gratitude. This practice can help you stay present and appreciate the small, often overlooked, joys of life. 4. Acts of kindness. Engage in acts of kindness for others. Whether it's volunteering, helping a friend, or even a random act of kindness for a stranger, these actions not only benefit others, but also bring a sense of fulfillment and gratitude into your own life. 5. Gratitude gathering. During Thanksgiving, create a gratitude ritual with your family and friends. Encourage everyone to share something they're thankful for. It could be a tradition where each person expresses gratitude before the meal, creating a warm and appreciative atmosphere. Well, there you have it. Thanksgiving Thrill Seekers, your guide to navigating the chaos and keeping your cool during this turkey-filled extravaganza. What are your go-to Thanksgiving survival tips? Share them in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more holiday survival guides. Thanks for joining me on this Thanksgiving adventure. Until next time, stay thankful, stay festive, and most importantly, stay sane. Happy Turkey Day, everyone!